I guess in this video lecture, I'm going to discuss about how to install GitHub Copilot on Windows 11 operating system. So opening their command prompt. So first here, if I write node -v, then you can see node version 24 already installed. If I write there npm -v, so npm is already installed. So with the help of this npm, there I'm going to install their GitHub Copilot. But if I write there Copilot, so this is not recognized. Now let's install this GitHub Copilot. So writing there npm, then install -g for global @GitHub, and let's write there Copilot. Press enter. Now here some download process as well as install process is going on, and you need to wait for few second times to complete this all. Now you can see here or two packages is added in 40 seconds. So if you write this place Copilot --version, so this time there is no any problem with unrecognized. This is currently processing. Here you can see GitHub Copilot CLI 102 that installed. To run here GitHub Copilot, so here you need to write this Copilot, and now this you can get there. So here you can see GitHub this version, and this is the location, and this here you can see. So do you trust the files? Right there why, and here please enter login. So you have to do the login to start using Copilot. So here /, then right there login. Press enter. So you can do the login with GitHub account or enterprise. Let's use their first option. This is working. And now here press any key to clipboard open browser. So when I press enter, so this here you can see the new browser that's open there for GitHub. Now there you should start using after giving their username and the password. You can sign in with the GitHub account or continue with Google or Apple.